In this lecture, we will install SSL certificate on our login panel, which is this one. So for this, make sure you have already installed SSL on your primary domain, which you are going to use to login. Now go to Edit, and here you will find the SSL certificate which you have generated using Let's Encrypt. There are 3 files here. So make sure you have that. Now open the server in a new tab, and in the server go to this gear icon which is configured here. Here you will find Vesta SSL, and here you have SSL certificate and SSL key. We are going to replace it with the one which we have got from Let's Encrypt. Copy this and paste it right here. Now copy this as well, delete it and paste it, and that's fine. Now it's all about saving it. Certificate authority not found. That's an issue now. Actually, the issuer is showing as wrong, so it's not working. Now, did we forgot something? Okay, we forgot this one. So let's copy this and paste it right here. So after the certificate, you have to paste the authority as well. Okay, and now just save it. And it says not valid. Okay, I think, yeah, because that gave an error that actually restored to default one. So that was the error. Let me tell you how to do this. We have to copy all of the 3 things again because it overwrote last time. Paste the key here, copy the certificate, and copy the certificate here, and copy this the issuer authority here and paste the authority here, and now it should work actually. So if you just click on save, it gets saved, so that works. Now you can verify it SSL, and you see right here Let's Encrypt right here, so it means that works. It's fine. Now public key size is 4096 bits, so that's a very strong encryption. But let's try to log out and close these tabs, and let's open a new incognito window. Let's go to our website. So website is working fine. Let's go to the HTTPS version. This is also okay. We forgot a W there. Okay, this is also working fine. This is a valid certificate. Let's go to our login panel now. And this is also secure, and the certificate is valid. That is how you install SSL on server login.